All right, so I just got out to this fishing spot. I got a line out, trying to catch some carp. Got some Green Valley whole kernel corn. Put it into a jar, keep it fresher. We'll see what happens. This other rod I got with me, got a 4-pound test. It's an UglyStik, 2 to 6 pound ultralight, 7 foot with an Abu Garcia Black Max. It's a spinning reel. What I could do is try to get some bread and throw a tiny piece of bread and see if I can lure them in. Here's some potato bread I got. I see a huge carp swimming by. I'm gonna see if I can get some of these elusive carp down on this side. I know they're out here. Ooh, I see a huge carp in front of me. Huge carp in front of me. This thing is a beast. Oh, got a big one on, got a big one on. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, this might be a problem. This might be a problem. Whew. Big fish, guys, big fish. Big fish, guys. Whew. Definitely don't want to muscle him in because this is a 4-pound test here. He was definitely hiding like right in front of these bushes. He was fighting too. He was fighting super hard. He's shaking the hook right now. Bunch of head shakes. Whew. There we are. Can't muscle this guy in, but I gotta tire him out somehow or some way. Woo! It's a biggin. It's a biggin. Ooh, freaking potato bread is the trick. It stays on the hook really well, and man, I tell you what. Yep, that's a biggin. That's a biggin. Now the trick is, how am I gonna land this guy? I got a net with me. Oh yeah, let's go, bud. Come here. Oh, yep, he's gonna take off again. I didn't think it would be that quick of a bite, to be honest. But I got the pressure on him. Not muscling him in. It's on an UglyStik GX2. My gosh, y'all. We'll go run and get this net real quick. Yeah, this boy's not even gonna fit in that, y'all. Whew. I'm not sure I'm gonna land this guy. Hey, can you help me with this net? My line's too light. That is a huge one. That's a big one. I have a net right there. Would you mind helping me out, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. It's gonna be kind of tough because that net it might not be big enough. Oh.
Wow.
That's a big fish.
Yeah, around 20 pounds.
You say 20?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I might have to weigh him.
Yeah.
My gosh, every time I like reel him in, he just starts running. So
That's great.
he should be tired by now.
Yeah.
Do you work at Duke?
Yeah, right.
Awesome, awesome.
You live here?
I got a friend who lives out here.
Okay. Wow,
Almost. When he sees the net, he gets scared.
Yeah.
You got him? Oh, no. Yes, yes. Oh, no way. No way. Woo.
That's really heavy.
My gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's do this. Let me get my scale.
Okay.
My gosh. Thank you so much. I don't know if I could have done that without you.
This one has some eggs.
Yeah, he does.
Yes. Alright.
All right, let's put him right here.
Okay.
Oh,
What?
definitely 20 pounds.
Oh wow.
20 pounds.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
I love it. This way. Perfect.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Strong. You can take out the hook, maybe.
Yeah, the hook's out right now.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Wait. There it is. Oh my gosh. Whoo.
Oh, nice. Good. Good, good. That's it.
Hey,
Okay.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey,
I
have a
love
good
it.
one. Thank you, thank you. All right, guys. That just made my day. Look how big this fish is here. I gotta get him in the water. All right, guys. Here it is. Here we go, guys. Let me revive him real quick. Just give him some time to get ready. Look at that fish, y'all. Look at that fish. My gosh. Oh, he's almost ready, y'all. He's almost ready. He's almost ready, y'all. All right, we're gonna let him back now. See you later. Woo! Honestly, I'm good after that. Like, I don't even have to fish no more, y'all. 4-pound test, 20-pound carp. It paid off the fish today, y'all. I was setting up my rods and man, piece of potato bread did it for me. Had much luck with it, much success. Appreciate you guys watching. And I hope to see you guys next time.